Ambergris. Valuable and sweet-smelling substance ejected by the cachalot whale. May be found floating on sea in tropical latitudes. Baggy wrinkle. Sinnate used for chafing gear. Cage mast. Lattice mast of steel tubes formed into a crisscross spiral, held at intervals by horizontal rings. Fitted to U.S. battleships of early 20th century. Davit. Iron or steel, formerly wood, fitting projecting over ship's side for attachment of tackle for hoisting and lowering boat, accommodation ladder, anchor, stores, etc. Eddy. Wind or water moving in a curved or circular direction, or current of water running in a direction contrary to that of a tidal stream. False keel. Additional keel fitted to main keel to protect it in event of vessel taking the ground. Gasket. Length of sinnet fitted for securing sail when furling, or grommet or packing in a gland or pipe joint. Halo. Circle of light around a luminous body. Particularly applied to such a circle around sun or moon when due to refraction caused by ice crystals in atmosphere. In ballast. Said of a vessel when she is not carrying cargo. Jumbo derrick. Heavy lift derrick. Used when discharging very heavy items of cargo. Keel blocks. Strong and adjustable erections along center line of bottom of dry dock or building slip, on which keel of a vessel rests and so allows workmen to pass underneath the vessel. Landby. Large automated navigation buoy. Increasingly used in place of a light vessel. Magnetron. The transmitter of a radar set. Nausea. Seasickness. Originally meant ship sickness. Obstruction. In a chart, signifies something below chart datum that is a possible menace to navigation. Pampero. Line squall of Argentina and Uruguay. Marked by thunder, lightning and rain. Quicksand. Sand that is permeated with water and is unable to support the weight of a man. Radio compass. Directional radio receiver calibrated to indicate the direction in which a radio wave approaches. Sailing directions. Books dealing with winds, weather, currents, and other circumstances prevailing in a given area. Compiled to give the navigator all helpful and relevant information available. Tanker. Vessel specially constructed for carrying liquids in bulk. Vessel constructed for carrying oil in bulk. Unseaworthy. Said of a vessel when she is not in all respects fitted to perform her contracted tasks. Vigia. Uncharted navigational danger that has been reported but has not been verified by survey. Watch. Period of time, normally 4 hours, into which a nautical day is divided. To keep, or stand, a watch is to be on duty for a watch. Yoke. Brass or wooden fitting placed transversely on head of rudder of a boat. Forms lever when steering with yoke lines. Zodiac. 12 signs, or constellations, through which Sun travels in his annual course along the ecliptic.